Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today in this video we are going to show you how to recover a replaced file on Windows. If you accidentally saved an important document, do not worry because we are going to walk you through the steps to get your original data back. Step 1. Using the search bar on your taskbar to type in Create a Restore Point. This is an important tool located within your system settings that allows you to access your computer's previous save states. Step 2. Once you see the corresponding result, open it up to access the System Properties menu. Step 3. Look under the System Protection tab and click on the System Restore button. This feature is used to roll back your operating system's files to a specific point in time before the file was overwritten. Step 4. Restore System Files and Settings will appear and check your recommended option has already selected. Step 5. Click Next. Confirm your restore point will appear, and click Finish. Pop-up windows will appear, and click Yes to restore your files. You can return your system to a previous state, which may help recover the replaced file. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.